Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm recovering from a flu and that's why my voice is a little different today. Today's video is going to be a little different. I'm actually filming the intro today, but the video that you are about to watch was filmed another day that I decided to clean my little space and just do a reset. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I actually lost some footage, but I decided to use the ones that I had left so that it doesn't go to waste. So I hope you enjoy. Get comfortable, grab a snack and enjoy this video with me.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wait.
This is what I use for my face every morning. I wash my face with a pure soap from Clicks. Actually, everything here is from Clicks except the Clear Start sunscreen. I get that from Discom. So I wash with pure soap and then I follow with a Pond's micellar water. And then I use an Eveline cosmetic serum and then the sunscreen. So today I used the Clear Start sunscreen, the SPF 30. But when I go to work, I normally use this 50% one. So, and then the Vaseline for my lips. Yeah, that's my morning routine, or what I use for my face in the mornings. And it's been working, so I'm happy. I was watching a Nigerian movie. Still going to continue with it, but let's start the machine and get this going. Just a 10-minute wash. So I normally do it twice. And it really gets the job done, you guys. So tiny, but it works. So let's make some breakfast now. I haven't eaten yet, so I'll just make oats. I'll just make oats for now. It's so difficult doing this without a stick, you know, or a stand for the phone, but this is a household without this cup. I don't know what you guys call it. I need to fill the water first before the oats. Add the milk.
Wanna throw away your vanity. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number. Take one last time, make it enough.
The last cup. Okay. That's good.
I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too.
And then I add the boiling water. The water that I just boiled now. Just make 2 cups. It's enough for one person. I don't have a salt holder yet, or a container for my salt yet.
Pick one, I switch sides. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Two things can be true.
This is normally enough for 2 cups of water. See how this cup is so important to have in your house. Oh, the sun is out, you guys, but hey, it's still cloudy, so I don't know. Let's put in some sugar as well. I think it's time to get this area in order now, while the fridge is still getting that ice off. But the problem is with this washing machine, while you are doing the laundry, you can't really do anything else because it needs you like all the time. Like right now, I need to go get the jacket ready for rinsing. You know, the second load of the jacket and those other things, I need to get them ready to also be rinsed. So I can't even start with this right now, but let me go do that and then start cleaning this area and also check whether the ice has melted in the fridge so that I can start cleaning it or wiping it down. And we still have a lot of stuff to do. I think I need to iron also another bed sheet. I need to iron a bed sheet and also put all these things back where they belong. Yes, that's what's happening for now. Yeah, let's do this. Guys, I remembered now, I was supposed to wash the curtain as well. So I'll probably just wash it after everything is done in that last water. And then I'll just take it off and also just wash it quickly and rinse it in the bucket. I won't do the whole process like I did with everything else, because now the time is moving. This machine takes like 2 hours for me to finish the whole laundry, and it's imagine to start all over again with that curtain. I will just do that. I will wash it after everything is done.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up and
You guys know about this hack? For you to not be able to get these things damaged while you're washing it, let me tell you what to do. If you didn't know, let me show you. I don't have a rope right now, but I think I will just use this dookie of mine. It's the smallest rope I have right now. So you just bring them all together like so. Just bring them all together like that, right? Like that. Oh, they fit in my hand. Okay, let's start putting in the rope from the side, and then you just put in the rope. Oh, I'm struggling with this. So you put the rope in from one end, no, and then you just put it in the last one, and just tie them. You just tie them together. Just tie them together like so. Make sure that the tie doesn't get loose while the washer is going. So you have to make sure it's nice and strong. Ooh, I don't know about this setting. I should just make it a few times for it to hold. And then you put it in the washer like that. It keeps them together and it keeps it from breaking. See how they stay together? They don't move, they just stay in the same place and intact. See? I'm just going to rinse it now and hang it so that it can get dry soon. Because I only have this one curtain. When I moved, or when I was preparing to move to another place or a new place, I actually bought curtains. But then the curtains that I bought are all longer ones. This is the only short one that I have in my window. You saw my window is a short window, and only the short curtains will fit there. So I need to buy another one as well to use whenever I wash this one. But for now, we have this one and we were going to make it work. So let's rinse it and get it dry to put it back on the window later. almost done with this laundry. Oh my god, it's been 2 hours and 30 minutes. But it's also because I was doing everything else in between. I just finished washing the windows. See how my windows are? They're actually a normal size, a standard size, but because there's nowhere for them to hang, if I have now longer ones there, there's no way they can hang there above that kitchen thingy there. And that's why I see the curtain is good. Nothing came off. Everything is fine. And now let's do the spinning. This is how I spin. This bucket is so tiny, so tiny. Look at that. But I make it work. I put in clothes like 1 by 1 or 3. It depends on how big the thing is that I'm putting in. So let me show you the first one and then I will finish the rest on my own. I will put in, let's put in these pillowcases. I need them dry early. Also I need, because I'm going to use this cream ones again, this green ones. I want to use them again for the bed. So let's get them dry first. So those are 3 right now, 3 pillowcases in there. And let's add something else. This one looks like it's too wet. I hope it doesn't make everything else or causing everything else not to dry properly. And then the tights as well. And then you put in this thingy mousse the normal way. And then the moment of truth. This is where the magic happens. See where the spinning button is. You just put it up to the 5, and then it goes up to the 0. That's the spinning time. But it works, guys. It works. Let's see how it looks. It is dry somehow, not too dry, but it works. It's good. It will take a few minutes for them to dry, so I'm happy it worked for those ones at least. Now we will put in the rest, and yeah, I will finish the rest on my own, guys, because the time is moving. I still have to cook. I still have to finish the whole room, and the fridge is waiting, the bed is waiting. So let's do this. I'll be back. Let's clean this fridge now. Let's see how it looks inside. Oh, it's too close to that. I think it's better. I need a knife. I'm getting done with this knife. Oh, look at that. Look at how easy it's coming off. And it's just been 2 hours. That's the only thing I love about this fridge. It doesn't take long to defrost. This Ooh. Is this now ice alone or you like it? It's ice. Ooh. It's a big one. This trouble is real, huh? I think I need to take out everything. Look at this. The meat even melted while the fridge is on. Yo! To do other things. To make other ice cubes. I need a bucket for the meat because, hey, all the meat pieces in here. It's there. Now we have it. Oh, now we have it. Look at that. Everything is wet. Like the fridge is not working. So it was just open the whole time. Oh Lord. That is it. Look at this, you guys. It's like snow in this fridge. Yeah. I hope my voice is clear enough. I have a microphone, but it's not charging. I don't know what's wrong. I need to get another one, or maybe see if I can fix that one. I noticed in my last video also my voice was not as clear because I didn't have the microphone. It's not working at all. Guys, you have to see this. Look at this. Look at the mess this fridge has made. Right? Looks so bad. And it's icy and cold. But let me do this off camera and I will show you once I'm done with the fridge.
If it's black, it's white. If it's wrong, it's right. As soon as I pick one, I switch sides. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you.
The bucket is actually full. Look at that. Crazy. I don't know how long it will be clean now. Like clean from the ice. It will probably get full again in the next week or two. And I will be doing the same thing again until I'm ready to get another fridge.
Two things can be true.
But look at the mess.
Wanna clear a bottle, a cabinet. Wanna stay home, not even.
Yo guys, at least today I'm talking right. Today I'm talking to you guys. Normally it's quiet here. You wake up and then it's just quiet the whole morning. Unless you put on something that you are listening to. Otherwise it's just you and the walls and just quietness. So at least you guys kept me company today. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And let you go, find someone new. And now wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your vanity. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. If it's black, it's white. If it's wrong, it's right. As soon as I pick one.
I do my laundry in this bucket because the basin is so tiny. Look at that. So I just wash them here and then rinse there. Yep, this is it.
My mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Two things can be true. Two things can be true.
So guys, I have one problem here in my bathroom. I don't know if you guys can help me or can tell me what I can use to get rid of this rust. Everything in my bathroom, everything that is silver just gets rusty in this bathroom. See that shower head? Everything, it's so rusty up to the taps. Just gets rusty like that. I don't know, is it the temperature in the bathroom or what? I don't understand. Even this thing, I bought this thing a few months ago. Look at how it looks now. I don't know if you can see it. It's rusty. I don't know, everything is, but then I always keep the window open, so I don't know. I don't understand what's going on in here. I kept this thing down here because I was struggling to put it in my shower. It's supposed to be in the shower there, you know, to hang somewhere in the shower, but then I tried, but I couldn't get it right. This thing doesn't get stuck to the wall at all, like to the tiles. So I just decided to keep it down there. And now it's picking up the rust. Look at that. It's rusty. Except the tab. This tab is fine. I've never had a problem with it. But the rest of the things in here, I don't know what's going on. If you know why, let me know please in the comment section. I will be waiting for that comment so that I can fix this. Is it the type of soap that I have to change, that I need to clean with? I don't know, please just help me. So guys, we managed to do everything that I planned to do today. I managed to do it. So now I just took off the clothes from the line. There are still 3 more left on the line. See those? My sleeping wear is still on the line. The kitchen is clean. Kitchen area is clean. I now have to iron this curtain so that I can put it back on. It's getting darker, and so people will start seeing inside my room. So I will do that, and I'll also have to iron the bed sheet and fix this mess here. So I will show you once I'm done with everything. But everything else, most of the things that you didn't see, I did off camera, like
Empty, wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true.
Alright, that's how the bed turned out. I love the color combinations. The black and white, it's not matching anything, but it still goes. Looks so cozy. So I can't wait to sleep tonight. Yeah, that's how everything turned out. Everything is nice and clean. Remember in my last video I mentioned that I want a shoe rack. The shoe rack is supposed to come here. This is the shoe situation at the moment. There's plant here. This plant here that you see here is the one that I want to put on top of the shoe rack. I will show you once the shoe rack is here. I think it will look cute. But yeah, that's it. Everything is nice and clean. I have the fireplace going here. Just have to fold that back and put it where it's supposed to be. And the bathroom is nice and clean as well. Everything is where it belongs. Yeah, and the fridge, the highlight of this video. Everything is nice and clean down there. It's getting nice and cold as well. See, it's even getting stuck now. It's closing properly, not like it was before I started. Yeah, the kitchen area is clean. I have some meat going here already. I haven't cooked for the whole day. I just ate that leftover oats that I made this morning. So I'm just having that with rice, I think, and then yeah, that's it for the day. Hi guys, I think we've come to the end of this video. The only thing left to do now is to exercise, finish cooking, and take a bath. Then I'm done for the day. I have to first eat and then exercise, but I'm going to do it the other way around. I already started cooking, so I will cook, exercise while I'm cooking, and then take a bath after that, and then I'm done for the day. Get cozy in bed and maybe start editing this video, but oh wow, that's all I'm going to do now for the rest of the night. So thank you so much for coming along. Thank you for spending the day with me. I really appreciate it. Thank you. You kept me going the whole day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye.
Was one or the other.